Do you want to create QR code scanning effect, like ones you see in the movies, tech videos, and futuristic edits? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add QR code scanning effect in CapCut Mobile. Let's get started. Step number 1 is to open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the video that you want QR code scanning effect to appear, then tap Add. Once your video is loaded, move the playhead to the exact moment where the scanning effect should begin. For the second step, tap Overlay and select Add Overlay. Choose a QR code image from your gallery and place it over the object or area you want to scan. Resize and position QR code as needed. If the object is moving, you can use keyframes to keep the QR code aligned through the clip. Now, let's create the scanning animation in step number 3. Go to Stickers and find Scanning Line Effects and add it to the timeline. Place the scanning line above QR code and use keyframes to animate it moving from the top of the QR code to the bottom. For the step number 4 is to make the scan look more realistic. Tap Effects and choose a futuristic effect such as Digital, HUD, Glitch, or Scanner, depending on what's available in your version of CapCut. The last step is to add scan results. After the scan is complete, add text that appears on screen. For example, you can display messages like information detected or any custom result that fits your video. And that's how you create QR code scanning effect in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut editing tutorials. See you and God bless!